Welcome to PTmaestro. How to create a workout. From the dashboard, we will select Training and then go to Workouts. From our Workout Management section, we can create a workout. The workout form has several different options: difficulty, category, target, age group, and a general description. The only one that is required is the name. Difficulty allows you to cover beginner, intermediate, advanced, or elite options. You could break down the workout into various categories, including things like endurance training or HIIT or powerlifting. Create lower, upper, or full body workouts. Create workouts targeting specific age groups. Add any additional notes, and once done, create the workout. Once we successfully created our workout, we can view our workout routine, which we'll cover in a later episode. Here we can edit any of the information for the workout. If we want to delete the workout, and if we want to view and edit the whole workout routine, which will be covered at a later episode. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more, please remember to hit that subscribe button.